In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cloudflare Warp on your Windows computer. Whether you're using Windows 10, Windows 11, or a Windows 365 Cloud PC, this guide will walk you through each necessary step to ensure you get started smoothly with this tool. To begin, Cloudflare Warp is a service designed to improve your internet browsing speed, enhance security, and keep your online activity private. It's an extremely useful tool for anyone looking to optimize their internet experience, so let's get diving into how you can quickly set it up on your Windows device. First things first, you'll need to download the Warp client. Head over to the Cloudflare Warp download page. This is where you'll find the appropriate version of the Warp client that's compatible with your Windows system. The download page is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, ensuring that you can find the version that you need without any hassle. Keep an eye out for a section labeled specifically for Windows devices, which caters to users of Windows 10, 11, or Windows 365 Cloud PCs. Once here, select the installer tailored for your operating system. You won't have to worry about compatibility issues, as the Cloudflare Warp page has made sure to neatly present the right installer for different systems. After selecting the suitable installer, initiate the download process. This should begin automatically and take a few moments to complete, depending on your internet speed. It's crucial to make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the download. Once your download is finished, navigate to your download folder or wherever you've chosen to save the Warp client installer. Next, it's time to install the Warp client on your Windows machine. Locate the downloaded installer file and double-click to begin the installation process. If prompted by a user account control dialog, you'll want to click Yes to allow the program to make changes to your device. This is a standard security measure put in place by Windows to protect your system. The installation window should now appear, guiding you through the rest of the setup process in a step-by-step manner. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, and before you know it, the installation will be complete. It's very straightforward, and the application will walk you through each necessary step to finalize the installation. Upon successful installation, you should see the Warp client icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Launch the Warp client to open the application. You'll be greeted with a basic interface where you are prompted to connect to the service. Once you click the Connect button, Cloudflare Warp will activate, encrypting your internet traffic and improving your browsing speed. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Cloudflare Warp on your Windows PC. Remember, this application is designed to run in the background, so you can go about your internet activities with enhanced privacy and speed. I hope this guide was helpful, and now you're set to enjoy a smoother, more secure online experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our guides for optimizing your tech tools.